Hey there! Are you dreaming of exploring the land of the rising sun? From breathtaking landscapes to unique traditions, Japan offers experiences that are as enchanting as they are unforgettable. But what should top your list when planning a trip? Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or a culture enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Join us as we uncover the 10 most incredible things you should do when visiting Japan to make your journey truly magical and memorable. Soak in an onsen. Immersing yourself in an onsen or natural hot spring is one of the most relaxing and culturally immersive experiences you can have in Japan. These geothermal baths are not just about unwinding, they're steeped in history and tradition, offering both physical and mental rejuvenation. From rustic open-air baths surrounded by mountains to luxurious spa resorts, there's an onsen experience for every traveler. As you soak in the mineral-rich waters, you'll feel your stress melt away while enjoying stunning natural views or serene indoor settings. Onsens are also a great way to connect with Japanese culture, as they follow unique customs like washing before entering the bath and maintaining quietness to respect others' peace. The ritual itself is deeply soothing and provides a moment of mindfulness. Notable onsen towns like Hakone, Beppu, and Kusatsu offer not just baths but also charming streets, traditional Ryokan inns, and delicious local cuisine. Many onsens even have Rotenboro or outdoor baths where you can relax under the stars or amidst a snowfall in winter, creating a truly magical experience. If you're new to the onsen culture, don't worry. Locals and staff are usually welcoming and happy to help you understand the etiquette. With so many to choose from, your visit to Japan isn't complete without this ultimate indulgence in relaxation. Explore the ancient temples of Nara. Stepping into Nara feels like traveling back in time to ancient Japan. Known as the country's first permanent capital, it's home to some of the oldest and most significant temples in the nation. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites are architectural masterpieces surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Todaiji Temple, with its massive wooden structure housing the Great Buddha, is a sight to behold. The serene atmosphere of Kasuga Taisha Shrine, adorned with hundreds of bronze and stone lanterns, is equally captivating. Walking through Nara Park, you'll encounter free-roaming deer that are considered sacred messengers in Shintoism. Feeding these gentle creatures is an unforgettable and delightful experience. Beyond the temples, Nara offers a glimpse into Japan's spiritual heritage through its tea houses, peaceful gardens, and artisan shops. As you wander the city's narrow streets, you can sample local delicacies like kakinoha sushi or purchase hand-carved wooden charms. Every corner tells a story of tradition, making Nara a haven for history lovers and curious travelers alike. A day trip to Nara is easily accessible from Kyoto or Osaka, but its charm might tempt you to stay longer. The seamless blend of cultural grandeur and tranquil nature ensures you'll leave with lasting memories and a deeper appreciation for Japan's rich history. Attend a traditional tea ceremony. The Japanese tea ceremony, or chanoyu, is more than just a way to drink tea. It's a refined art form that embodies harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Participating in this centuries-old tradition is a must when visiting Japan, as it provides a window into the country's soul. Held in a serene tea room often adorned with tatami mats and simple, elegant decor, the ceremony emphasizes mindfulness in every gesture. The host carefully prepares matcha, or powdered green tea, using precise movements that reflect years of practice. As a guest, you'll learn the proper etiquette for receiving and drinking the tea, along with the significance behind each step of the ritual. Kyoto is a hub for authentic tea ceremonies, but you can also find them in other cultural centers like Kanazawa or Tokyo. Many establishments offer sessions where you can not only enjoy the tea, but also learn how to whisk it yourself. It's a beautiful way to connect with Japanese culture and appreciate the artistry involved in something as simple as making tea. This experience goes beyond the drink itself. It's about the atmosphere, the connections, and the intention behind every action. By the end of the ceremony, you'll leave with a sense of calm and a newfound admiration for Japan's dedication to detail and beauty. Ride the Shinkansen. Traveling on Japan's Shinkansen, or bullet train, is as much an adventure as it is a mode of transportation. Known for their lightning speed and impeccable punctuality, these trains whisk you across the country, making it possible to explore multiple regions in a single trip. The experience begins the moment you step onto the platform. The The sleek design of the Shinkansen, combined with its whisper-quiet movement, makes it feel futuristic. Inside you'll find spacious seats, panoramic windows, and a clean, comfortable environment perfect for admiring Japan's diverse landscapes. As you glide past Mount Fuji, lush rice fields, or coastal views, it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder. The bento boxes or ekiben sold at stations and on board add another layer to the experience. These beautifully packaged meals showcase regional specialties, allowing you to sample Japan's culinary diversity as you travel. Whether you're journeying from Tokyo to Osaka, heading north to Hokkaido, or exploring the charming southern regions, the Shinkansen transforms long-distance travel into a memorable part of your adventure. It's not just a way to get from point A to point B, it's a quintessential Japanese experience that you'll be talking about long after your trip. Stay in a Ryokan. A stay in a traditional Japanese Ryokan is more than just accommodation. It's an immersive cultural experience. These traditional inns, often nestled in scenic locations, provide a glimpse into Japan's elegant hospitality and way of life. From the moment you step inside, the atmosphere exudes tranquility and tradition. Ryokans are characterized by their tatami mat floors, futon bedding, and shoji sliding doors. Upon arrival, you're greeted with a warm smile, a steaming cup of green tea, and often a yukata robe to wear during your stay. The rooms are minimalist yet inviting, designed to create harmony between you and your surroundings. Many ryokans also feature on-site hot springs or beautifully maintained gardens that are perfect for peaceful reflection. Dining at a ryokan is an unforgettable highlight. Guests are treated to a kaiseki meal, a multi-course feast showcasing seasonal and regional delicacies. From artfully arranged sashimi to perfectly grilled fish, every dish is a masterpiece. Meals are often served in your room or a communal dining area, enhancing the intimate and relaxing experience. Staying in a ryokan allows you to step into a slower rhythm of life far removed from the bustling cities. It's a chance to appreciate Japan's deep-rooted traditions and craftsmanship while enjoying unparalleled hospitality. Whether in the mountains of Hakone, the Onsen towns of Yufuin, or the historic streets of Takayama, a ryokan stay is a must-do for a true Japanese experience. Walk through the bamboo groves in Arashiyama. The bamboo groves of Arashiyama in Kyoto are one of Japan's most iconic and serene natural wonders. Walking through this towering forest of bamboo stalks feels like stepping into another world, where the whisper of the wind and the dappled sunlight create an almost ethereal atmosphere. The pathways wind gently through the grove, offering plenty of opportunities to pause and soak in the beauty. The sheer height of the bamboo, stretching endlessly toward the sky, gives the impression of being in a living cathedral. The soundscape is equally enchanting, with the gentle rustle of leaves and the occasional creak of swaying stalks adding to the tranquility. Beyond the bamboo grove, Arashiyama offers even more to explore. The nearby Tenryuji Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts stunning gardens that change with the seasons. The Togetsukyo Bridge provides breathtaking views of the Katsura River, particularly during cherry blossom season or the vibrant autumn foliage. A visit to the bamboo groves isn't just a walk, it's an invitation to reconnect with nature and find peace in its simplicity. Whether you visit early in the morning for solitude or later in the day when the light is at its most magical, Arashiyama is a place that will linger in your heart long after you've left. Try authentic Japanese street food. Exploring Japan's vibrant street food scene is an adventure for your taste buds. From bustling city markets to quiet coastal towns, Japan's street food offers an incredible variety of flavors that showcase the country's culinary creativity and love for fresh, high-quality ingredients. One must-visit spot is Osaka, often referred to as the food capital of Japan. Here you can savor takoyaki, crispy golden balls filled with tender octopus, or okonomiyaki, a savory pancake loaded with toppings. Kyoto's Nishiki Market offers skewered delights like yakitori and sweet treats like mochi. In Tokyo, the streets of Asakusa are lined with vendors serving everything from melon bread to tempura. The appeal of Japanese street food isn't just in the dishes but in the vibrant atmosphere surrounding it. Watching skilled vendors prepare your food with precision and care is part of the experience. Each bite tells a story of local culture and tradition, from the way ingredients are sourced to the unique regional twists on classic flavors. Sampling street food in Japan is also an opportunity to try something unexpected. Whether it's the smoky aroma of grilled squid, or the creamy sweetness of taiyaki filled with red bean paste, there's always a new flavor waiting to surprise and delight you. It's a culinary journey that will leave you craving more. Visit Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park. Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park is a profoundly moving place that commemorates one of the most pivotal moments in world history. Located in the heart of the city, the park serves as a reminder of the devastating impact of war and the enduring hope for peace. The centerpiece of the park is the atomic bomb dome, a haunting yet beautiful structure that survived the blast and stands as a symbol of resilience. Nearby, the cenotaph for the A-bomb victims and the peace flame add to the solemn atmosphere, inviting visitors to reflect on the human cost of conflict. The Peace Memorial Museum provides a deeper understanding of the events of August 6, 1945, through artifacts, photographs, and survivor testimonies. It's a powerful and emotional experience that encourages empathy and a commitment to creating a more peaceful world. Despite its somber history, the park radiates a sense of hope and renewal. The cherry blossoms that bloom in spring, the river flowing through the park, and the laughter of children at the nearby playground all speak to the city's incredible transformation. A visit to Hiroshima's Peace Memorial Park is not just a history lesson but a reminder of humanity's capacity for healing and resilience. Shop in Tokyo's Harajuku district. Harajuku isn't just a shopping destination, it's a cultural phenomenon. Known for its bold fashion, quirky stores, and youthful energy, this Tokyo neighborhood offers an unparalleled glimpse into Japan's vibrant pop culture and creative spirit. Takashita Street, the heart of Harajuku, is lined with colorful boutiques, themed cafes, and stalls selling everything from trendy accessories to kawaii, cute fashion. You'll find outfits that range from chic and modern to playful and eccentric, reflecting the district's reputation as a hub for self-expression. Beyond the shopping, Harajuku is a feast for the senses. The street food here is as colorful as the fashion, with towering rainbow cotton candy, fluffy Japanese crepes, and quirky animal-shaped ice creams. For a quieter experience, the nearby Omotesando Avenue offers a more refined shopping experience with high-end brands and elegant cafes. Harajuku isn't just about spending money. It's about experiencing a slice of Japan that's bursting with creativity and individuality. Whether you're hunting for unique souvenirs, snapping photos of eye-catching street style, or simply soaking in the lively atmosphere, Harajuku is a place that never fails to inspire and delight. See the snow monkeys in Jigokudani. Nestled in the mountains of Nagano Prefecture, Jigokudani Monkey Park offers the rare and magical experience of watching Japanese macaques or snow monkeys soaking in natural hot springs. This unique site, especially enchanting in winter, has made the park a must-visit destination for animal lovers and photographers alike. The park is home to a large population of wild monkeys that come down from the mountains to bathe in the warm waters, especially during the colder months when the ground is blanketed in snow. Watching their human-like behavior as they relax in the steaming pools is both fascinating and heartwarming. The journey to the park adds to the adventure. A scenic trail winds through a snowy forest, offering glimpses of the pristine winter landscape. It's a peaceful walk that heightens the anticipation of meeting these charismatic creatures. While the monkeys are undoubtedly the stars, Jigokudani also offers a chance to appreciate the harmony between wildlife and nature in Japan. The park takes care to maintain the monkeys' natural habitat, ensuring they remain wild and free. Visiting Jigokudani is a reminder of the beauty and importance of coexisting with nature. That's a wrap on our guide to the top things to do in Japan. From tranquil temples to bustling streets, traditional experiences to modern adventures, this incredible country is brimming with unforgettable moments waiting for you. If you love this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep discovering the wonders of the world.